Well, would you believe it if I told you that tequila is made from a plant that looks like a giant pineapple? Yes, you heard it right, folks. Tequila, that liquid courage that makes your karaoke sound like a Grammy performance, comes from a plant known as the blue agave. And no, it's not a pineapple, but it sure looks like one. Now, the process of making tequila is an art, a tradition that dates back to the Aztecs. It's like a telenovela with a twist of lime and a pinch of salt. Picture this, a field of blue agave plants under the Mexican sun. Our story begins when these plants are about 7 to 10 years old. Yes, they're older than your pet goldfish. The brave jimadores, the skilled agave farmers, wield their koadejima, a sharp, flat-bladed tool, to chop off the leaves and reveal the piña, or heart, of the plant. It's like a dramatic haircut, only the end result is much more rewarding. These piñas are then taken to the distillery, where they are cooked in large ovens. Imagine a Thanksgiving dinner, but instead of a turkey, you have a bunch of giant pineapples. Once cooked, the piñas are crushed to extract the juice, or agua meal. It's like getting the last bit of toothpaste from the tube, but on a much larger scale. This juice is then fermented, turning the sugars into alcohol. It's like letting grapes spoil to make wine, but way more sophisticated. After fermentation, the liquid is distilled, not once, but twice. This is where the magic happens. The first distillation, called the ordinario, is a bit rough around the edges, like your uncle at a family reunion. The second distillation smooths things out, giving us the tequila we know and love. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. The tequila is then aged in barrels, where it adopts its final color and flavor. It's like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly, but with a much better aftertaste. There you have it, folks. The life journey of a tequila shot from a spiky plant in the Mexican fields to the star of your Friday night. It's a process that requires patience, skill, and a love for the craft. So next time you're sipping on that margarita or shooting that tequila, remember the hard work that went into it. And hey, why not try making your own tequila? Or if that sounds like too much work, visit a tequila factory. It's a great excuse to travel to Mexico. And remember, the best tequila is the one you enjoy responsibly. Cheers to that!